Payday Loans, Moreauville, Louisiana. Payday loans, ideas to help you make your appropriate decision. Fiscal hardship is a very difficult point to go through, and should you be experiencing these conditions, you might need quick cash. For some consumers, a cash advance can be the ideal solution. Continue reading for some beneficial information into payday loans, what you need to be aware of, and ways to get the best choice. Prior to taking the plunge and deciding on a cash advance, consider other resources. When you have much better choices, consider them initial. The interest rates for payday loans are great, and check if your household will loan the dollars or use a classic financial institution. Payday loans should really become a last option. Perform some research on the firm you're checking out getting a loan from. Don't select a firm because they look great in advertisements. Ensure you invest plenty of time exploring the businesses, specifically examine their score with all the Better Business Bureau, and read any on the internet critiques about them. Stay with an established organization which provides you with some satisfaction. If you possess been undertaken benefit of by way of a payday loan firm, report it quickly to your status government. You may be negatively affecting your probabilities for any kind of recompense if you delay. There are numerous individuals out there like you that want actual help at the same time. Your revealing of these inadequate organizations is able to keep others from getting related situations. When budgeting to pay back your loan, generally problem along the side of extreme care with your bills. It's very easy to imagine that one income might be overlooked and almost everything will probably be alright. Those who get payday loans find yourself paying back 2 times whatever they loaned normally. Take advantage of this reality to find out your financial allowance. Usually read all of the conditions and terms involved with a payday loan. Establish each and every point of monthly interest, what every single possible fee is, and the way very much each one is. You need an emergency link bank loan to get you from the present conditions to on your own feet, but it is simple for these conditions to snowball more than a number of paychecks. Make sure there exists adequate funds in your budget for you to repay the loans. You might be in actual economic issues if you fail to spend your loan. Your bank will charge you with overdraft account fees, and after that you're going to have to spend much more into a payday advance organization. Guarantee the amount of money is within the profile to maintain your financial situation in order. Look at the pursuing 3 weeks as your window pane for payback for any payday loan. You should get a more sensible choice if it may need much longer to pay it back. Locate a loan provider who seems to be eager to offer you a prolonged personal loan time. Seek advice from the Better Business Bureau to be certain the paycheck lender you are looking for carries a good rating. Check their BBB rankings for almost any issues prior to signing for a payday loan with any company. You should search for one more financial institution if there are actually grievances. As an alternative to wandering into a retailer entrance payday advance search online. In the event you go into a loan retailer, you have not any other costs to check against. Along with the folks, there will do just about anything they are able to, not to enable you to abandon right up until they indication you up for a mortgage loan. Prior to walking in, go to the internet and carry out the essential study to discover the most affordable monthly interest loans. You will also find on the web companies that will match you with payday lenders in the area. If you wish to apply for a payday loan, your best option is to apply from trustworthy and preferred creditors and websites. These internet sites have developed an excellent reputation, so you won't place yourself vulnerable to offering sensitive details to some rip-off or less than a reputable financial institution. In case you are developing a difficult time determining if you should utilize a cash advance, call a customer credit history counselor. These professionals normally benefit low-earnings businesses that provide cost-free credit rating and financial help to consumers. These folks will help you find the correct payday financial institution. Additionally, possibly even help you rework your funds so you do not need the financing. Be sure you shop around when searching for an excellent payday loan. A financial institution or a credit union before you go and acquire among the available payday loans. Ask a loved one. A payday loan can wind up priced at you a lot by means of concealed fascination and service fees. Rates acquire a single, only if you have to. Investigate the status, the location, where the loan provider primarily runs from. Condition laws vary in relation to loaning hats. Fly-by-night paycheck loan providers usually gather in places in which restrictions are most lax, for example abroad, and says with few laws concerning payday loans, as could be anticipated. As soon as you establish their expressive source, review the loaning regulations of that legal system. Remember that there are plenty of crooks online claiming they will get you a cash advance. They can try to cover up by utilizing brands that are like very good organizations and may not be exceedingly focused on your credit rating or perhaps your capacity to reimburse the financing. These organizations can do everything to buy your info. If you feel you are receiving treatment illegally or unfairly through your payday loan service provider, ensure that you document of issue along with your state firm. Except if you file of issue, the loan provider is going to be free to proceed working inside an unlawful manner. They could even make use of physical violence to get their money back again from you. Those of you looking for fast approval on a cash advance ought to sign up for the loan at the beginning of the week. Several lenders get round the clock for your approval procedure, and if you apply on the Friday, you possibly will not view your money before the adhering to Monday or Tuesday. In case you are looking for and used a cash advance, concern not, as they are nonetheless available to you. Given that you almost certainly won't have got a payout stub to exhibit evidence of career, your best option would be to provide a duplicate of your respective taxes as evidence. Most loan companies will continue to offer you a personal loan. As stated in the beginning on this post, there is much more to having a payday advance than simply getting give money involving paychecks. As you now have browsed the earlier mentioned report, you might be educated ample about online payday loans. Now you may make the best judgments achievable for your particular case. Payday loans. Moreauville, Louisiana. Payday loans duty free.